Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Switch and controllers because split screen runs only in TV mode. Handheld won't split the view. Once your controllers are paired and charged, launch Minecraft and create or load the world you want. Make sure you open world settings, enable multiplayer game, and increase the maximum players to match how many people will join. Doing this first prevents player join errors and ensures Minecraft allocates screen regions for each participant when the second controller connects. Once done with settings, connect the remaining controllers and sign into local profiles if you want separate saves. Guests work for quick play. Start the world, then have each player press the controller's join button when the split screen prompt appears. That attaches them to an available slot. Make sure Joy-Con pairs are held horizontally, SL plus SR, or that Pro controllers are powered. Otherwise, the game won't recognize them. This step assigns players to quadrants and creates independent camera control for each person. To finish, position players on the couch, confirm controls are responsive, and tweak video options like render distance so the frame rate stays smooth with multiple views. If someone cannot join, make sure their controller is paired and signed in, then rejoin by pressing the join button. If problems persist, restart Minecraft or the Switch. Finally, keep the game and console up to date. Updates often fix local multiplayer bugs, so split screen is reliable and each player gets a consistent gameplay experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.